Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to free up space on your phone by deleting TikTok data. So if you basically have cache or download files within the TikTok app, you can free up some space on your iOS or Android device. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok account and select the profile button in the bottom right. Select the hamburger icon now in the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Go down underneath Cache and Mobile and select where it says Free Up Space. So at this point, you can go ahead and clear the cache as well as download files as well. And then once you're done with that, you should be able to be good to go. You hopefully would have freed up a good amount of your space that TikTok was using. And that's about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.